So I've got a pretty dangerous problem that you might not think is dangerous, but as you can see, the hood prop is not working. And you can imagine if you're working under here, or even if you're trying to jump someone's car with your battery and this thing falls, this is dangerous. And the thing is, this could cost up to almost $100 to get fixed. So let me show you how to do it today. All the parts and tools listed below, super fast. Let's jump into it. My temporary solution or workaround has been just to put a piece of wood there, but obviously if I'm on the road and I don't have that piece of wood, this is a hazard. All right, so we come up to the ends of our hood struts. So I'll go here, start at the top first. You can see there's this tab that we need to pull out. So you can just put a little flathead screwdriver underneath there, pull that out. Just like that. And now we'll get the other one at the bottom. Come down from the top here. Same thing on the bottom. There you go. Just another view. Again, you can see here this strut tells you which direction it goes. And then to take the clip off, you can see the notches. Pry your screwdriver underneath and pull up. Like that. That's all you need. If you go too much, you'll actually take this little ring off, that retaining ring off, and then you'll have to try and put it back on, and that is a pain, and you'll likely bend it. So just pull it off enough like that, and you should be fine. Here's our new part. You'll see on it, well, at least the old one told you which direction it went. The fatter part goes toward the top. And you'll need to make sure to open up the ends just so you can get it attached. Very good. Now we just lock in the ends. Make sure it's in, seated all the way. Now let's do the bottom one. Come down from the top and get this bottom in. Like that. Now, give it a quick pull test, both ends. Nice and solid. Let's test our work. Look at that. Like that. For 20 bucks, the hood prop has been changed. Questions or comments, please put them below. Check out my other videos. I try and publish how-to videos weekly. Subscribe to the channel if the video was helpful. I have a lot more Jeep videos up and coming, so definitely stay tuned. Again, everything I use will be linked below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.